Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are going to dive into a crucial aspect of React Native development, working with fixed dimensions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, understanding how to effectively use fixed dimensions is key to creating responsive and visually appealing mobile applications. So let's get started. Let me add a view component. We can add a style that should be box 1. Add a style. I'm setting width and height. Change this to 50. We will add powder blue for this. Let me add a safe area view so we can see it clearly. All right. So now we are going to add another box with dimensions. So moving on to the second box, should be box 2. Let's give a style. We are doubling the style to a 100 by 100 square. The color changed to sky blue. Already you can see how the fixed dimensions keep our layout consistent. Now for box 3, we are going to even bigger with 200 by 200. The color should be steel blue. So make it box 3. Let's look at our simulator. And there it is. Our boxes are beautifully laid out, each with fixed dimensions, creating a stepping stone effect. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.